Hello, GovCon Nation. I'm Mark Ryan with Easy8A. And for the last 21 years, I've been helping companies just like yours navigate the complex world of federal certifications like 8A, HubZone, WOSB, and SDVOSB. A common threat to your SBA application and to keeping your certifications isn't a complex form, it's your own LinkedIn profile. I'm going to show you how the SBA and your competitors are using it as evidence to deny your status. Point 1, the public identity test. The SBA doesn't just check boxes on a form. They want to see that you, as the owner, are actively representing yourself, what they call as such, in American society. And they do that by looking at your LinkedIn. So on your profile, they'll look at your picture. It should be professional. More importantly, if you're going after the 8A certification, do you look like a member of the racial group that you're claiming? They'll look to see if you are following or joining groups or subscribing to newsletters, industry newsletters that align with your profile. For instance, if you're applying for woman-owned small business or already have it, your profile needs to reflect an active professional presence within that community. If you don't, hold yourself out as such. The SBA will take notice. Point 2, technical competency check. The second thing they verify is your technical background. If you're applying for a certification as an IT services firm, your profile better show a history of IT management, as opposed to something else like construction management or a school teacher or something. Again, they circle back to those groups and newsletters that you're following to confirm your technical expertise. If your profile shows that you have a history of running restaurants, but you're applying as a construction firm, the SBA will flag that lack of technical experience and deny your application. Point 3, the full-time devotion trap. This is a non-negotiable rule for the 8A, SDVOSB, and WOSB certifications. The owner must devote full-time to the applicant firm and still after you're certified to the certified firm. Competitors and the SBA live for this failure point. I've seen many denials for this. They will screenshot your profile looking for one simple thing. Does your LinkedIn list another current employer or a recent job anywhere else? If your profile shows that you're CEO of your SDVOSB firm, but a consultant at a different company, that single point will be the first exhibit in a protest establishing that you don't meet the full-time devotion requirement, or in an SBA denial asserting you aren't full-time devoted. Point 4, the affiliation and protest weapon. Now let's talk about the worst case scenario, a protest. Did you know that the SBA has hundreds of documented cases where the competitor used LinkedIn? They don't have to prove you're ineligible, they just have to be specific. For example, a competitor can scrape your employee list from your company's LinkedIn profile, then cross-reference your employee list with property tax records, and then use that data to allege that you don't meet the 35% HubZone residency requirement. Another thing they'll do is use LinkedIn to spot common management, such as the same executive holding positions at 2 different firms, thus being able to force the SBA to investigate a potential affiliation, which can easily knock you out of small business status, which will cause a denial for any applications that you have, or for you to lose any certifications that you have. And of course, the competitor will win their bid protest. Every single detail you put on LinkedIn is a compliance risk. You are being watched, and the burden is on you to prove your eligibility against these certification denials and bid protests. You can't afford to have outdated titles, ambiguous roles, or confusing employment histories that give the SBA an easy denial or your competitor an easy protest win. Here at Easy8A, we specialize in auditing your online presence against strict SBA regulations before we ever submit an application. We ensure your narrative, your financials, and your digital footprint are 100% airtight. Stop guessing, stop giving your competitors a roadmap to your failures. Give us a call for a free consultation. I'm Mark Ryan.